building already.
Yeah.
A little bit windy today in Amed. Not so big waves, but some waves. Are going all the morning, all the day is like a kind of covered in like a little bit like in the clouds, but not. You still can see it. I usually see this. And the people that they say, okay, while we are young, we have to work, so when we get retired, then we will start traveling, which is absolutely wrong statement, in my opinion, just because when you are old, you're looking at the world different eyes. You're kind of already tired, and when there is a question to do something or no, then you say, I'm already too old for this. So that's why I always declaring to all the people that if you're going to do something, and if you have this idea at the moment, that just do it now. Don't leave it for later, don't postpone it. Because nothing can be worse than to, when you are retired, and I just saw this photo when there are two old guys and they're taking this channel tour in Venice, and that actually they are too tired and they don't see anything, they just fell asleep. And that's actually illustrates all these things. I understand some of us, we don't have this opportunity or chance to travel when we are young, we are too busy, but you always have a choice. You always have a choice to change something in your life and do something. So that's why I'm really happy to see young people taking the break after the university and traveling for a year before they start something big in their lives, and simply traveling. Maybe it's changing the direction they want to go in their lives as well, and it's really, really important. I've been lucky because I decided that traveling is something really important in my life when I choose what to study. And I understood that the tourism is something I really want to be in at least part of my life, and then it brought me to the diving, and that's why I am where I am at the moment. I'm in all this tourism industry, and also particularly the biggest portion of this tourism industry for me is the diving. Diving is like if I'm traveling, I'm not that focused on diving only, because for me it's interesting not only diving but also the culture and the way the people living in some country. I understand that some people are not interested in traveling at all, and I respect them. And just imagine if all the people will travel, so what will happen in the world? So that's why we are so different. Some of us, we have this willing for traveling, but someone not, and it's amazing. And when you're traveling, you meet these people, and that's why my message to you is, if you have a plan to travel in your life, then do it now. Don't leave it for later, don't leave it when you will be retired, because when you will be retired, definitely you will not try that things what you've been planning. I know there is a lot of crazy people who get retired and they start doing all this skydiving, diving, and that's congratulations. It's amazing, you have the health to do it, but what if not? We never know how long we gonna live, right? So it's like maybe by 50 years old I will be in the condition I will not be able to do anything. So that's why do it now. Leave everything on the side. When you start talking about, oh, we have a kids, we have a family, and now I have to give up on my dreams, then there's already something wrong, you're telling me. Everything is possible, even you have a family, even you have a kids. I know so many families who's traveling, they have 5 kids and they still manage to travel. They been with me, together with me, in so many countries, and it's never been a problem to travel for them, and it's never been a problem for them to travel with the kids. Or if you say that I'm working really hard, I don't have money for the traveling, again, something is really wrong. So probably you're doing the wrong job. If you want to travel and you cannot afford it, change something in your life. Probably some of you will say it's easy to say, it's harder to do it. I don't know. I managed to do it, and I'm pretty sure you also can. All right, that's it for today. Pretty short episode and only talking. Nothing really to show you today because I'm on a relaxation day today. So thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.